Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is August 12th, 2025, and here are the top crypto news stories. First of all, have a good week everyone. China bans RWAS for the first time, the biggest crackdown on crypto by 7 agencies since 2021. The first crackdown on RWA tokenization in China, with regulators saying they have not approved any real-world asset tokenization activity. 7 major Chinese financial industry associations have jointly issued a risk warning, marking the most comprehensive crackdown on crypto since the 2021 ban. The associations cover banking, securities, mutual funds, futures, payment clearing, listed companies, and online finance. They stated that all cryptocurrency-related business activities, including stablecoins, airdrops, mining, and most importantly, the tokenization of real assets, RWA, are illegal in China. From China, we will also go to Ethereum, which Ether supply squeeze is imminent, with exchanges holding the lowest level since 2015. Ether exchange balances fell to a decade low of 8.7% as more ETH moved into staking and custody, creating a potential supply squeeze. As you can see, this chart is not from 2015, it is from 2022, but all of that Ethereum has fallen to 8.8% on the chart, which is one of the lowest levels we have seen since 2015. Moving on to our news, we will also see Bitcoin Cash, which managed to gain almost 40% and became the layer 1 with the best returns of the year. This is what blockchain analyst Cryptocurrencies tells us, who with this chart shows us that Bitcoin Cash has the best returns for this year. Let's say that according to the analyst, he noted that Bitcoin Cash's strong performance comes despite the fact that the project has no advertising on X. Furthermore, it has unlocked all coins, so there is no pressure on the price anymore. There are no institutions to buy it, so no one can sell it from there. And also there is no VC buying it, so there is no pressure from the coin side from there. All of this has helped Bitcoin Cash grow significantly in value, according to Cryptocurrencies. Moving on from Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin now handles Visa scale transaction volumes, but most of it is for wholesale, not coffee. Bitcoin settled $6.9 trillion worth of payments in the past 90 days, which is on par with or higher than Visa and Mastercard. During the same period, Visa processed $4.25 trillion in payment volume and Mastercard $2.63 trillion for a total of $6.88 trillion. Let's just say Bitcoin settlement volume is mostly driven by transactions, remittances, and investments in stores of value, as global merchant adoption remains low. Globally, only 20,599 merchants accept Bitcoin payments, according to BTC Map, compared to Visa's 175 million stores worldwide. The main reason we don't use Bitcoin to buy coffee or cigarettes, but only for investments or transferring value from country to country, for example, is because Bitcoin has very high gas fees, and each block is mined every 10 minutes, so you have to wait a long time for your coffee to be paid. Moving on, we're going to go to another coin that is also doing this halving, and that's Bittensor, which will be doing its first halving since it was launched, and that will happen on December 14th, and the coins produced will be reduced from 7,200 to 3,600 daily, and like Bitcoin, it halves every 4 years until you reach 21 million coins. And the last news of our day, I want to tell you that down in the description, I will have a cryptocurrency gift guide. Now the holidays are coming, so maybe some of you are looking for a gift for a loved one. And now we come to our beloved crypto market, with Bitcoin at $91,000, with the price waiting for the Fed to come out in 2 days and cut interest rates. One economic indicator we are waiting for later is the US jobs report, which I don't think will affect the Fed's decision because they will make their decision in 2 days, but all of that is a number we are waiting for. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, December 8th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone, and have a good day.